Hello, friends! Today we are going to learn the magic words this, that, these, and those. Let's go! Let's explain one by one. We use this and that in singular. Singular means only one thing. For example, one apple, an apple. And we use these and those in plural. Plural means more than one thing. It can be 3, 5, 8, or even 1,000. For example, 3 apples, more than one apple. So remember, this and that for one thing. These and those for more than one thing. Let's start with this and that. If you're talking about only one thing, you can use this or that. When the object is near you, use this. For example, the apple is near you, so we use this. This is an apple. When the object is far from you, use that. For example, the apple is far from you, so we say that is an apple. Now let's see more examples. Look, the ball is near me, so we say this is a ball. If the ball is far from me, we say that is a ball. Look, the car is near me, so we say this is a car. If the car is far from me, we say that is a car. The flower is near me, so we say this is a flower. The cup is near me, so we say this is a cup. Now look, the balloon is far from me, so we use that. We say that is a balloon. The tree is far from me, so we say that is a tree. So remember, friends, when there is only one thing, check if it's near or far. If something is near, say this. If something is far, say that. Are you clear now, friends, about how to use this and that? Great. Let's move to the next one. If you're talking about more than one thing, you can use these or those. When the objects are near you, use these. For example, the apples are near you, so we use these. These are apples. When the objects far from you, use those. For example, the apples are far from you, so we say those are apples. Now let's see more examples. Look, the books are near me, so we say these are books. If the books are far from me, we say those are books. The cars are near me, so we say these are cars. The cars are far from me, so we say those are cars. The flowers are near me, so we say these are flowers. The cats are near me, so we say these are cats. Now look, the balloons are far from me, so we use those. We say those are balloons. The birds are far from me, So we say, those are birds. So remember, friends, when there is more than one thing, check if they are near or far. If they are near, say these. If they are far, say those. Are you clear now, friends, about how to use these and those? Great! Now, friends, let's review everything we learned today. This and that. We use them when there is only one thing. These and those. We use them when there is more than one thing. When only one thing is near you, say this. When only one thing is far from you, say that. When many things are near you, say these. When many things are far from you, say those. Let's say together. This, near one. That, far one. These, near many. Those, far many. Wow, you did it, my smart friends. Now you know the magic words. This, that, these, and those. Now, friends, let's test our brain. Are you ready? I'll show you some objects. You tell me which magic word we should use. Let's go! The apple is near you. What do we say? Yes, correct. This is an apple. The tree is far from you. What do we say? Yes, correct. That is a tree. The apples are near you. What do we say? Yes, correct. These are apples. The trees are far from you. What do we say? Yes, correct. Those are trees. The dog is near you. What do we say? Yes, correct. This is a dog. The dogs are near you. What do we say? Yes, correct. These are dogs. The bag is far from you. What do we say? Yes, correct. That is a bag. The bags are far from you. What do we say? Yes, correct. Those are bags. Wow! You did a great job, my smart friends. You really know how to use our 4 magic words. This, that, these, and those. Let's say it one last time together. This, near one. That, far one. These, near many. Those, far many. Great! We learned how to use these magic words. Keep practicing every day. If you want to learn more fun magic words and new things, don't forget to subscribe to Simple Quack. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye!